Hello everyone, we are the AI Innovators and our contribution to this year's Nisum Hackathon is enterprise content search using generative AI. Our topic was driven by the customer need to drive enterprise search across multiple domains, including structured and unstructured data. The intent is to search based on the similarities in sentence meanings and also to provide a futuristic natural language based chat interface for a query response interaction. These needs are not fully addressed by the traditional Lucene-based enterprise content search tool such as Elastic, Solar, Coveo, Bloomridge. In keyword search, the result will bring back all the documents that contains the keyword, even if the document is not relevant to the topic user is looking for. Our solution fulfills all the customer needs and uses the latest in generative AI to achieve this. It meets all the customer needs as well. The salient feature of our solution is that it provides a chat-based conversation and also do a semantic similarities instead of a keyword similarities. It can also provide instruction to a search engine to customize the responses. To cover the solution architecture briefly, we have a user interface layer that drives the indexing and search functionality. This is implemented using the Vue JavaScript framework. The next is API layer implemented using Fast API Python framework. And finally, we have the indexing engine that uses generative AI to convert text into vector encoding and stored in a vector database for fast indexing and search. This layer also has another generative AI model that helps drive the conversational chat interface. Currently, we are using generative model from OpenAI. We have the ability to drop other open source model in place of OpenAI model. In fact, we successfully evaluated a couple of these open source model from GPT for all as well. Let us look at the data flow now. We have two phases to the functionality, the indexing phase and the chat phase. In the indexing phase, we present the supported content and a generative model converts this content into vector embedding and stored in vector database. In the chat phase, user types a query, document snippets matching the query semantically are fetched from the DB. The matched documents and the query are presented to the second generative AI model to generate a response. I will provide a quick demo of these features. So this is our application. We can index document in various format and we can also index web content. First, let us upload a PDF document. This gets indexed and stored in VectorDB. So we have successfully uploaded the Nisum India work from home policy PDF. Similarly, we can also index a web page content by providing a URL. So we can do that as well. And for the document, we can support PDF, PowerPoint, text, spreadsheets, and such formats. So we have already indexed some documents like Nisum's employee handbook, Nisum web page, and a CSV file with some dummy salary data, etc. So now let us look at some search feature. Now let us ask how many work from home employee can avail in a month. So let us ask that. So for the question, how many work from home employee can avail in a month? In the sum, we got the response. That is correct. Now let us search for what are the employee benefits in the sum. Okay, that worked. Now the fun part is that we can get the response in any language that we want. So we just need to this. So we got the response in French. So the ones who are familiar with French, they can go through it. So that's it for the demo. We now have the know-how to offer this as a product to our enterprise customer. We can show thought leadership by adopting this new age technology involving generative AI model. The solution is also addressing all the customer needs. Thank you.